Hello, beautiful people of the world. I'm back. Just recorded my last video about 5 minutes ago, so hey. Okay, thought of a new noise. I just remembered that I had a really old video on here, and it was really, went really shittily, crappily, whatever. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make the finger popping sound, which hopefully I can still do it, or else that renders this video pointless. Anyways, do something that sounds like this. Yeah, I can do it. Kind of sounds like you're cracking your fingers, but it's like you're flicking your skin, and it's like the air is reverberating off your finger skin. So it sounds like this. Well, that's really cool. A lot of people find it like gross or something. But to do it, all you really do is this. Take your hand, which hopefully all of you guys are watching this, have a hand. If not, borrow a neighbor's hand. But yeah, you just take it and you can pick which knuckle you want it to be used on. I would recommend this one just because it's easier. And you put it against your face like this, kind of. And you slip your finger in and make sure it's like right on top of that little like flap. You put it against your skin and you like pinch your cheek like that, kind of, to capture the air in there. But you want to do it while your fingers are connected, so. Oh shit, wrong way. Yeah. The front of your hand facing your cheek, and then you squeeze down and push out. So yeah, that's basically all how you do it. You just make sure you squeeze it together. You gotta compress it against your face, because if you just like leave it there, it's not really gonna work. You gotta make sure it's compressed. And then, yeah, that was really good. So that's pretty much how you do it. You just keep practicing. Just remember, hand, squeeze, finger, push, and there you go. That's how you got it.